Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. What follows is my personal experience using QuadraNet. QuadraNet, found at www.quadranet.com, is a web hosting provider. Their online presence provides potential customers with information on their services, which include various hosting options. Exploring their website, you'll find details on shared hosting, virtual private servers, VPS, and dedicated server solutions. Each of these offerings is designed to cater to different needs and levels of technical expertise. From individuals looking to host a simple blog to businesses requiring robust server infrastructure, QuadraNet aims to offer a solution. The company's website outlines the features and specifications of each hosting tier, allowing prospective clients to compare options and choose the best fit for their requirements. This includes information on storage space, bandwidth, processing power, and other technical aspects. In addition to the technical details, QuadraNet's website likely offers information on pricing, customer support, and perhaps even a knowledge base or FAQ section for self-help. Further investigation may reveal details about the company's history, its data center locations, and any guarantees or service level agreements they provide. A thorough examination of the website is recommended for anyone considering QuadraNet as their hosting provider to ensure it aligns with their specific needs and expectations. Remember to carefully review the terms of service and any other relevant documentation before making a commitment. Choosing a web host is an important decision that can significantly impact the performance and reliability of your online presence. Therefore, due diligence is crucial in selecting the right provider for you. Consider factors such as uptime guarantees, customer support responsiveness, and the overall reputation of the hosting company. User reviews and testimonials can also provide valuable insights into the actual experiences of other customers with QuadraNet services.